expect a highly advanced primate to take orders from a cow?
Is there a problem with that?
Yeah, look! Check out this keen, intelligent gaze.
Pasty? Oh, she's filling up our bar with frilly girl stuff.
Look, I don't like Ivana any more than you do.
I'm being eaten by fleas. Oh.
You think maybe I could burp you one last time?
All right, but seriously, just once more.
That's my boy.
Have several nervous breakdowns and end up in the trash bin of history.
Aw, look how happy he is. We did a good thing.
I like us.
Jerk! About time you showed up. Are these your worthless friends? I want pie! Oh! It's pig! I put fizzy rocks in her stupid noodle casserole! Now she's going to explode! It is my bath time!
It's not working.
Don't worry, I'm on it.